Hey folks, Jonathan again with our next machine. This is a 1917 Hendey. It's 14 by 5. Probably about 30 inches between centers. Probably max. This machine, we found out from the serial number, was shipped to a typewriter factory in Detroit, Michigan. And it was built in, I think, March of 1917. And this machine I had picked up in Franklinville, North Carolina, I think it was, or Franklinton, one of the two. But I went to look at a truck and cab over with a diesel that I was interested in for the engine, and this happened to be sitting next to the truck and had a tarp over it. And I asked the fella, and he said that he bought a smaller lathe and moved this one out, put the small one in, and said he wasn't sure what he was going to do with it, that he may have to junk it. And I asked a price, and he said $200, so I had him pick it up with a forklift and put it in the back of my pickup truck, and which was a little more weight than I should have put in it. It's 2500 HD, but I didn't want to leave there without it. And I didn't get the truck, but the fellow's name's Terry, real good guy. He's actually been to my place since then, and he's got another machine that I'm hoping to get real soon. And but this machine here, you see there's no belt on it. I actually borrowed the belt from my LeBlanc, and the belt on my LeBlanc broke, and I needed one, so that's where this went. It's got a Lima gear drive, 4-speed. The old transmission style. I'm not sure what them transmissions were out of, Model A's or something, but they worked nice. This one here, I got it tied in first gear. It has a little noise in it. It'll jump out every once in a while if you're not careful, but don't mind it too much. I mean, I don't use it a lot. Now, this machine, when I did have the belt on it, I did use it quite a bit, but the problem with this machine, and it's my understanding that the tail shaft spindle was 2.5 Morse taper, which is an odd size, and I'd never seen it before, but that's what I've been told. So this center had been taken out and taken to a man to take it to 3 Morse taper, and it never made it back. So we're missing the tailstock spindle, and so I'll be making that soon. And I found a Morse taper number 3 Bremer, so we should be able to take care of that with no problem. And I really want to get this machine back up and running, because I mean it's wired and hooked up now, everything, but you know, getting a belt on it and getting that spindle made, this machine's in a lot better shape, you know, wear wise than the LeBlanc, and it seems to be a little more rigid. I mean, I like it as a machine a lot better. And this one came with the chip pan, which was an option, and it's got a few little places where it's broke out, but it works good. That's the important part, of course. And really impressed with it once I got it up and running. But I would, you know, if I was gonna tell somebody to buy an old cone head lathe, you know, they call it a tie bar lathe because of this bar that ties it, and that's I guess it's got to help out some, but I mean the rigidity of it seems to be a lot better than the LeBlanc. You can actually take more, which, like I said, there's less wear on this too, but could be the reason. But if you was going to buy an old cone head lathe, I believe, you know, that's, you know, would be a good option. Real good option. And I was glad to get it. The other machine that I'm talking to him about is called a Libert nibbler. It's like a shear, and it's an old one, and I hope to end up with it. Bye.